name is Marco Bellina. I'm 27 years old and I'm a National Account Manager. I'm from Sydney in Strathfield. My current vehicle is a Hyundai I30N. My first vehicle was a Toyota Corolla E92. My favourite track is Wakefield Park. The reason being is because of the tight corners I can test the car. The current Whiteline mods I have on my vehicle are the front and rear sway bars with all the end links. My favourite Whiteline product are the rear sway bars. One word to describe what Whiteline has done to my vehicle is grip.